What's up, you twos? Me and John Byers out here on the rice farm.
Rice fields, bowl. Got our fucking hit boats on up to our nuts.
Boy, look at all this water. Got a hell of a rain last night. Got old Jeepers Creepers here.
Yep. It's old Jeep though, walking motherfucker. Two-wheel drive, son. We're gonna have to lock her in. I think we down, boys. I think we down. Lock her in, kill them. Them damn grip spurs, what about them motherfuckers, boys? She'll walk a dog.
God damn, look at this levee.
The levees are fucked.
That one might be fun.
Might have to go get the damn quad track and the damn squeeze, son, for that. I don't know. There you go, Kill. I got some damn good shit. It's still be on, but I got some damn.
That's all we're gonna record today. We're about to be busy, boys. Later on.